Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an everyday fall makeup look, and I'm starting off with brows. But guys, if you want to see my full brow routine, I will link that video above right now in the cards. The brow products that I use is always the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in dark brown, and then I clean up my brows with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in maple. Then I like to go in with the Anastasia brow gel in clear, and that does the job. But now I am going to do a little bit of priming with the e.l.f. Pro Grip primer and color correcting LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm using fawn and orange corrector because I have some breakouts lately, so I'm definitely going to go in and color correct those dark spots, and then we're going to go in and blend all of that out. So for this everyday fall makeup look, I did decide to go in with the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum in Tan Deep. And I really wanted to try a tinted serum because I did not want to do a foundation for my everyday makeup look. And let me tell you guys, this is extremely lightweight, but still gives you the coverage that you will be looking for. And it has like this luminous tint to it as well, so your skin will still look hydrated. Another great thing about this tinted serum is it comes with a dropper, so it is extremely buildable. I love this applicator because I have more control over how much I want to put on my face. So I only did like one layer, but you guys can do 2 or 3 if you want more coverage. And after applying our tinted serum, I'm going to go in and blend all of that out. And now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in maple, and I'm just going to do a little bit of concealing around the eyes, on the nose, on my chin, and on my cupid's bow, and then we're going to contour as well. Now I did want a very bronzy look for this everyday fall look, so I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty contour stick in espresso, and I'm using like a really big brush. Saves a lot of time because I can just place the contour where I want it and go. I don't have to try to keep building up the product because this helps me cover more of the space on my face that I want my contour to be. And I'm also going to place that contour over my forehead and along my jawline as well because I just want a really pretty bronze brown look today for my everyday fall makeup look. Now go ahead and blend out that concealer by wetting our beauty blender. I always tell you guys I keep a spray bottle full of water in my makeup kit, and we're just going to blend out that concealer. After we blend out the concealer, I'm actually going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to put that everywhere that I want to set my concealer. We're also going to go in and do a little bit of bronzing with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the Mocha Mommy. I love this. Is a beautiful fall shade, so I'm going to place that everywhere where I put my contour at. Now to get started on eyes, I'm going to use that same contour stick, and I'm going to put it in the hollows of my eye, and we're going to be using my favorite palette. I've used this palette in probably every video. It is the Milani All Inclusive Eye, Cheek, and Face palette. I love this palette so much, and I'm going to go in with the bronze shade, and then I'm going to start placing that in my crease, and I'm going to place it all over my lid and on my lower lash line as well. So really only going to be using one shade for this everyday fall makeup look. Don't like my fall makeup looks, especially for everyday or daytime, to be super complicated. Just want like a beautiful, simple, lightweight, beautiful, flawless everyday look, so we won't spend all our day doing makeup but actually outside enjoying the fall seasons. I'm also going to go in with this lighter shade specifically for my brow bone area. Now for a little bit of depth, I am going to go in with a really dark black eye pencil, and I'm just going to place that right on my lower waterline. Then we're going to work on bronzing up this look a little bit more. So I'm going in and I am going to add a little bit more of that Mocha Mommy to my face so I can achieve my desired look. Now for mascara, I am using my e.l.f. mascara because we will be doing lashes today. And I've been loving all of Juvia's Place lashes, and they are a 14mm Nubian lash in the name Siwa, and it is a natural volume, and it's a really beautiful natural lash. I really love all of Juvia's Place lashes. I think I only have like 3 right now, but it's so pretty. And for lips, we're going to go in with the MAC, obviously in Chestnut, and I'm just going to go through and start lining my lips so we can get ready to bring this look together. Now, for me personally, you're not rocking a fall look if you don't have matte lips. So for our lip shade today, we're going to be going in with the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in Slow Ride. This is like my all-time favorite nude lipstick. And we're going to pair it with this beautiful lip product from Mented Cosmetics, which completely brought this look together, and it is in the shade Foxy. Love this lip shade from Mented Cosmetics, so make sure you guys check them out as well. It definitely gave me that pumpkin spice look that is trending right now for fall. Beautiful shade. So make sure you guys check out Mented Cosmetics and support Black owned makeup brands. If you are a returning viewer or you have not subscribed yet, you guys go ahead and hit that subscription, because I have another installment for my fall makeup series coming this week. So you guys make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so you can be updated every time I upload. You do not want to miss this next video, so think about subscribing and share this video. I love this everyday fall makeup look. It's absolutely beautiful. Let me know your thoughts down below, you guys, and make sure that you like, share, and comment on this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.